A से अनार, A से आम, E से इमली, U से उल्लू. I'm sure as toddlers, while learning Hindi alphabet, you all must have recited these and other alphabets countless times. But when it used to come down to writing, we all had our own set of excuses ready for launch towards our mom or dad. More or less, reciting is fun, writing is boring. But what if I told you using a hardware as simple as Arduino BLE Sense, powered by TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers, writing can be made fun too, at least for this generation of toddlers. Therefore, without any further ado, just roll towards the demo of my experiments and see it for yourself.